Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the prettiest Christmas flower arrangement using just a few affordable flowers and greenery. Whether you're looking to spruce up your home for the holidays or want to create a thoughtful DIY gift, this simple tutorial will have you arranging flowers like a pro in no time. So, grab your favorite vase, some pruning shears, and let's get started. Step 1. Choosing your flowers and greenery. To get started, you'll need a few basic materials. I spent around $11 on flowers from the grocery store, picking up a bunch of red mums, a bundle of mixed greenery with cedar and pine, and a bunch of eucalyptus. When choosing your flowers, think about your home's color palette and the style you want to achieve. Deep reds and greens are always a classic choice for Christmas, but feel free to get creative with your selections. And don't forget, you can always forage for greenery like pine or cedar right in your backyard. Step 2. Preparing the arrangement. Once you have your flowers and greenery ready, lay them all out on a flat surface. This will make it easier to see what you have to work with. Start by gathering a mix of flowers and greenery in your hands to form a rough draft of your arrangement. Keep in mind that the height of your flower should be about 1.5 to 2 times the height of your vase or container. Use pruning shears to trim the stems as needed, always cutting at a 45-degree angle to allow for better water absorption. Step 3. Arranging the flowers. Now that your flowers are trimmed to the right height, place them in your vase. Start by arranging the main flowers, like the red mums, in the center. Create a rounded dome shape with the flowers, and then fill in the gaps with greenery to add depth and texture. Don't be afraid to move things around and experiment with different placements. If your arrangement will be viewed from one side, keep taller greenery towards the back. For centerpieces that will be seen from all angles, try to balance the greenery evenly around the entire arrangement. Step 4. Cleaning the stems. Before we finish, let's talk about cleaning the stems. This step is crucial for keeping your flowers fresh longer. Remove any leaves or needles that will be submerged in water. This prevents the stems from rotting, which can cause bacteria to build up and shorten the life of your flowers. Simply use your pruning shears to clean the stems about 3 to 6 inches, depending on the size of your vase. Step 5. Final touches and tips. Once you're happy with the arrangement, it's time for some final touches. Swap out the water every 2 to 3 days to keep it fresh, and trim the ends of the stems every 4 days. You can even add a little bit of aspirin to the water to help the flowers last longer. And here's a fun tip: use any leftover greenery to decorate wrapped gifts or place them on cloth napkins for a festive table setting. Step 6. Gifting and display ideas. Not only do these arrangements make beautiful decor pieces for your own home, but they also make wonderful gifts. Simply tie some twine around a mason jar or vase, add a little tag with a holiday message, and you have a heartfelt gift for friends or family. You can also use these arrangements as centerpieces for your dining table or place them on your entryway console to welcome guests with a touch of holiday cheer. And there you have it, your very own Christmas flower arrangement. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create something beautiful for the holidays. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY and home decor ideas. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use your flower arrangement this Christmas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy holidays!